Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to get shaders in CurseForge and enhance your Minecraft experience with complementary shaders. First, let's talk about the complementary shaders. The shaders pack of Minecraft Java Edition offers stunning visuals, high quality effects, and excellent optimization. Whether you are a casual player or a high-end gamer, it has something for everyone. It's designed to run smoothly while still delivering top-tier visual upgrades. Now let's jump into the two main visual styles for you have got Unbound and Reimagined. If you're looking for a more realistic Minecraft experience, go with Unbound. On the other hand, if you want a style that reimagines Minecraft while keeping that classless look, Reimagine is your style. Don't worry, you can always tweak the settings later to suit your preferences. So how do you install this? First, you will need either the Optifine or Iris mode. If you're unsure, just go with Iris. Once that installed, launch your game and head to video settings. From there, open the shader packs menu and click on open shader packs folder. Now download complementary shaders, but don't unzip the file. Simply drag the drop it into the shaders pack folder. After that, hop back into Minecraft, go back to the shaders pack menu and choose complementary shaders. If it does not show up, just refresh the list. Then that is it. You have got complementary shaders installed and ready to go. Play around with the settings to find your perfect visual style. If you have got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome Minecraft tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.